So welcome back to JS Projects. I'm Joe. Today we'll be going to Pro Detailing Supplies. The reason why we're going there is I have a dent on my car. I called Michael from Pro Detailing Supplies earlier. I asked him if he have a dent puller, so he said he have one, and I asked him if we can try fixing my dent. It's been bothering me for quite a while now. Yeah, so we'll be heading there. We're also gonna try to check. Well, we're not gonna try. We're going to check out his shop. I'll probably gonna show you guys around what he sells, all the stuff that they have there. Rally car. Okay, so guys, I'm here at Pro Detailing Supplies. As you guys can see, they have so much stuff for cleaning your car. He got a bunch of microfibers, tornador, cleaning tools. What is that? What is that? Is that a vacuum? Oh, a foam gun, cleaning tools. There's a bunch of stuff. So I don't know what else. Let me check out other stuff here. Oh, wheel stuff. Cleaning your wheels. They have all that stuff. Check it out right there. I have this one. This is my personal favorite. This stuff. It's soft, easier to clean my wheels. I have so much spoke on mine, and it's a pain in the butt to clean. Probably later on I'll make a video about that, how I clean my wheels and stuff. A bunch of soap. He has a lot of grits. How do you pronounce that? I'm not too sure. Grits. Yeah, that stuff right here. So you guys can see. Oh man. Damn. This is like a detailing guy's heaven. Well, at least for me. Hey guys, I just want to show you guys the dent that's been bothering me. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's pretty big. Michael here will try to fix it. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully that could be fixed. Not bad, eh? The ceramic coating is still there.
Yeah, it's still there.
Oh god. That's pretty deep, eh? Here's Michael from Pro Detailing Supplies.
Hi.
He's gonna be taking care of he's gonna try to fix my dent. Hey guys, so we did try to fix the dent, but we failed. Well, not really. We lifted it up a bit, but not totally fixed right here. I think it got a little bit better trying to pull it, but We need a smaller puller to pull it out. I'll probably gonna see someone who has a puller. I'm gonna try to borrow it and try to fix that up. We'll see. Well, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.